This is our Venture Cabinet Nesting Series CNC machine, specialized for sheet processing. This machine has been designed using finite element analysis design software, resulting in a superior build. This machine is all-steel tubular construction that is a fully welded assembly, stress-relieved, and precision machine for the various drive components. This is essential for smooth, precise motion of the machine and results in long-term reliability and many years of service. The Venture nesting machine includes a 12 or 16 horsepower HSD high-frequency spindle with an 8-tool rotary tool carousel, 12 tools optional, and 9 spindle drill bank. Both spindles have their own dust collection vacuum hood that shares a split manifold with independent gate valves, which open and close depending on the spindle being used. A multi-zone high-flow vacuum plenum offers superior part hold down. The Venture nesting machine includes 3 pop-up pins for easy sheet placement and alignment to the axes of travel. The Venture nesting machine also includes an automatic tool length touch-off pad, which automatically sets all tool lengths offsets. The machine also has an optional pusher sweeper, which pushes the cut material off the bed of the machine and cleans the dust and debris at the same time. The Venture nesting machine is controlled via an Italian PC-based OSI industrial control system. All the electrical components are housed and wired in a double-doored NEMA 4 electrical enclosure. The machine is also equipped with load rollers, which helps the operator to easily and efficiently roll large raw materials onto and off of the machine bed.